The much awaited 2026 Class 10 board examination results are finally out, bringing immense joy and excitement to families everywhere. Continuing a proud tradition of academic excellence, thousands of students coached by Brilliant Study Center have secured outstanding success this year. Naturally, among these top achievers are the next generation of ambitious medical and engineering aspirants. To help these bright minds seamlessly balance their school curriculum with rigorous entrance preparation, Brilliant Study Center Pala is launching its newest English exclusive batches for the long-term 2028 online program, starting this May 28th. This comprehensive program delivers top-tier coaching for premier competitive exams including NEET, JEE Main and KEAM. By enrolling, students don't just prepare for high-stakes entrance exam, they also build a rock-solid foundation to secure stellar results in their Plus 2 board examinations. Best of all, our fully online format ensures that this elite training is accessible to students anywhere in the world. While this English medium batch is specifically tailored to meet the needs of non-Malayali students, students from Kerala looking for an English-only learning environment are also welcome to join. As a student of this program, you will receive weekly test papers, periodic model exams, and direct supervision by expert mentors and our directors. We also ensure steady progress through regular parent-faculty interactions, dedicated motivation sessions, and valuable career guidance. To reward your hard work, we are also offering immediate scholarships based on your 2026 Class 10 marks. By following Brilliant's time-tested methodology, our students have consistently rewritten history. Some of our most notable recent achievers include 2026 JEE Main Kerala Rank 1 holder Niranjan J. Pillai, Gauri Shankar and Meera Krishna, who both secured All India Rank 1 in JEE papers 2B and 2A, 2025 NEET Kerala topper Deepnya DB, 2025 JEE Main and Advanced Kerala topper Akshay Biju, and Srinand Sharmil, who clinched All India Rank 1 in NEET 2024, winning Brilliant's historic 1 crore rupee scholarship. These extraordinary milestones stand as a testament to Brilliant's unmatched legacy in entrance coaching. Your journey toward an elite career starts here, and you too can become the next name on our wall of fame. Secure your future today by visiting our official website to register for the long-term 2028 2-year program or contact us directly at the numbers shown below.
Brilliant Study Center, India's #1 coaching center for NEET and JEE.